In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Linktree to ChatGPT. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to connect the Linktree app inside ChatGPT so you can get everything set up in just a minute or two. I'll explain what to click, what you might see on the screen, and a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. Click your profile area there. This opens a small menu where you can access your account options. From that menu, choose Settings. Settings is where ChatGPT keeps all of the controls for your account and where integrations live. Inside Settings, find and click the Apps section. This is your hub for anything you've connected before and the place to discover new integrations. In Apps, select Explore Apps, or you might see a button labeled Add More. The wording can vary slightly, but either option takes you to the same place, the app directory. Once the directory opens, you'll notice a search field at the top. Click into that search box and type Linktree. Give it a second to load results. You should see the Linktree app listed. Click it to open its details and then click Connect. This begins the official connection process. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm that you want to connect Linktree to ChatGPT, and you might see a prompt to sign in to your Linktree account in a secure window. If any permission screens appear, review them and continue. The flow is straightforward. Confirm, authorize, and let the connection complete. You don't need to paste any codes or share anything sensitive. Simply continue through the prompts provided. When the connection finishes, that's it. You're done. The app will indicate it's connected, and you'll be returned to the Apps area with Linktree now available. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. Make sure you're signed in to the correct ChatGPT account, double-check that you typed Linktree correctly in the search box, and give the directory a moment to refresh if it's still loading. If the Connect button doesn't respond, close the window, reopen Settings, go back to Apps, and try again. To recap the flow in one breath, Profile at the bottom left, Settings, Apps, Explore Apps, or Add More. Search for Linktree, click Connect, and follow any prompts that appear. Once you complete those prompts, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.